Hold on. I lost the red. Okay.
Lean forward a little.
Like that?
Yeah? Well,
Good?
it's closest we're going to get with you.